This is a problem I see on almost every cardinal I've inspected, even after ones that have come right out of annual. The cowl mounts are cracked, and that's not going to take a whole lot more before that falls off of there. On my plane, I find usually every annual I've got one or two that need to be replaced. They don't seem to last too terribly long. Now it may not be real kosher to use vice grips, but I find that keeps me from dropping the nut. Okay, now what's important when you pull this off, I can get it out of there. There's spacers on here, and there's different number of spacers depending on how they assembled the plane at the factory, where this bracket ended up. It's not the same on every cardinal, it's not the same in every position. So make sure you return the correct number of spacers here. Got my spacer in. Washer. And that. Washer. And that. Okay, all done.